HTML. HTML. It is this HTML class only and no CSS is used in this class. We have learned it. How to build a technically documentation page using only HTML. No CSS is used and my HTML series is starting. Then this series is end. So I will start the CSS series and it is my HTML class. Okay. And please like my video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So now first of all I will see what we are building. We are building that technically documentation page. For you, CSS documentation page. Here is active check, default, define, project, add information. Here you can see it, then define it. Here is my define it default. Here is my default check. Here's my check active. Here's my active So we are building that technically documentation page for you. So it doesn't take a long time. So let's start the video. So first of all, I will minimize it and I will open with. Choose another app and Sublime Text Editor. Here I will erase it, save. Erase it. And first of all I will open it and side by side it. Because you are a beginner and that coding site is bigger and this site is smaller, okay. Now here we can write HTML. Because you can see and here we can write technical documentation page. Because I will build technically documentation page, so I will write technically documentation page. And here we can go, here we can write nav id, should be nav bar, enter, header id, hashtag nav title. Here I will go to the center and h1. Here we can write CSS documentation. CSS is bigger, okay, and documentation D is only bigger, okay. Enter ULLIA href, erase it, class nav link href, and this href hashtag active, and here you can also write active. Copy it, paste. Erase it. Here you can write check it, erase it, check it. Also here we can write default. Here we can write define it. It is only small, okay. Define it. Project information. Go here you can write project information. Enter main. ID should be main /doc. ID and erase it. Main /doc. Enter section class main section. ID active. Enter header h1 active, and we can go hr, enter p. And now first of all here I will go. So here you can go here, go up, select Alt and select paste, copy paste. Okay, then copy and paste him 48 times. Copy, paste, 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 paste. Sorry. Paste, 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 paste. Paste, 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 paste. Okay. The layer my work is done, and here you can write code. Will be active. Here you can go and go here, save, refresh. So here you can change my actives come all. And now here we can enter press. Here we can write jewel li should be list item 1. Item spelling is incorrect. Li list item 2. Enter section class main slash section id checked. Enter header h1 checked. And here we can write HR. Enter. So you can do same thing, paragraph, then you can go here, then go down, then Alt and copy it, then paste it. And paste him 81 times. Sorry. Erase it. You can write anything in their paragraph, okay? 81, sorry. Paste, enter press, okay? Enter press. 81 times, it is good. And here we can add code. Check UL li list item 3. Copy paste 4 5 and enter section class main section id default. Enter header h1 default. And here till enter HR. And here you can do same thing. Go here, copy and paste it. And you can paste him from 115 times. Paste. Sorry. Copy it. Paste. Okay, done. And here you can write code default enter section class main section id we need header h1 defined and enter HR. And we can write and you can copy it copy, paste, and here you can another P, and here you can paste that. Then go, then save, then refresh, then go down. Here you can see Telegram work is done. Then copy, paste from and 144 times and save, refresh. So here you can see Telegram work is done. And here we can write code defined and save, then refresh. Then you can go here section, class main section, it is class. Then we can go to the CSS project information, enter header h1 project information HR, enter P, and P should be my, we can copy that. Sorry, you can copy that only. Copy that, paste and paste and P, then copy that, then paste, then copy, then enter. Then I will go my attack, and it is, you can paste 173 times. 173 times, okay. 173 times. Okay, save, refresh. Here you can see it. Here we can write code. And now here you can see it easily. My all work is done. I will only define in style. Here you can see it. First of all, I will go here. And here we can write enter style. Erase, enter. And here we can write HTML, comma, body. Enter font family. Roboto, comma, sans serif, enter height 100%, margin 0. Code, background color, hashtag F5, 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 display block, width 100%, margin 0, auto, enter, font size 20 pixels, okay, enter, dot main section, header, font size 24 pixels, enter, header, font weight, bolder, enter, hashtag left bar h1, color white, enter, text align should be center, text transform should be uppercase, enter, dot main section, header, color, hashtag 36818F, enter, text align should be center, save, refresh, go up. So here Telegram work is done. So I will go down. Here we can write nav, ul, list style should be none, font size 20 pixels, enter, nav, ul, color white, text decoration none, border bottom white, border bottom 2 pixels, solid white, enter. Here we can write enter hashtag navbar, width 20%, height 100%, position fixed border, right, border right, 5 pixels, solid hashtag 3681, F, enter, background color hashtag F23858, hashtag main, dot, width 80%, height auto, position absolute, right 0, enter, dot main section, width 90%, display block, margin 0 auto, padding bottom 20 pixels, enter. Here we can write hashtag @media max width 500 pixels, enter. Here we can write H1 font size. First of all, here we can go H1 font size 18 pixels. Go here, enter HR. Color hashtag 36818F. Border top will be 3 pixels. Solid hashtag 36818F. Margin top minus 10 pixels. Save, refresh, and go here. So here you can see easily I will build that for you in only HTML. Here you can see it. I will build that for you, and here you can see it. And here you can see it. Here I will build it. Then you can go check. Here we can go check default. You can go default. You can go define. You can go define project information. You can go project information, and here I will write, because I will build on HTML. So here I will go up. Here we can write HTML documentation. Save. Go here. Refresh. So here you can see easily I will build that for you. And I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.